Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. And I'm going to make a chicken dip. Quick and easy. You only need 4 ingredients. So let's get to it. This right here is fresh chicken that I had left over. I need 16 ounces of this. So I'm going to measure this out for 16 ounces. Or you could just use a can of chicken, 16 ounces. Over here is my Worcestershire sauce. You only need 1/8 of a teaspoon of that. See the Parmesan? That's Parmesan. You only need a 1/4 cup of Parmesan. And there's my sour cream. You only need 8 ounces. So this is 16. I'm using half of this. We're going to mix it all together. And then I'll tell you what to do. Okay, I got my pan on here. I'm going to stick it in the oven. I got it on my scale. And you notice that my scale is reading 0. So I'm going to put 16 ounces of this chicken into this scale. Onto this pan. And this is able to read like this because this is the scale I've shown. I'll probably leave it up here somewhere. It's got a Tare on it, so you're able to put a pen and set it to 0. And of course, I got my containers. I'll leave that up above. I use them too, my containers. Okay, got my sour cream in. Get ready to stir that up and add these other 2 ingredients and stir it up real good. We'll be back. You want to make sure that you mix everything well. Make sure the Parmesan cheese is the last thing that you put in. Mix that well. And then I just put a little bit of Parmesan on the top. If you are using fresh chicken, this is the first time I've used fresh chicken, you can use less than 16 ounces because it's fresh. Throw it in the oven. Make sure the oven is preheated. Put it in the oven, 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Great dip for football game day. Okay, it's done. This recipe is good for like 4 people. You could also double it. It's good with crackers or nacho chips. Yummy, yummy for the tummy. Quick dip.